This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the Barracuda X has enough battery and the wireless dongle is available. This prevents interruptions during reset. Power off the headset, and if connected via USB-C to a PC, unplug it so the reset targets the internal settings. Make sure you know whether you used Bluetooth or the 2.4 GHz dongle so you can repair later. These steps set a clean starting point and avoid accidental firmware changes while you perform the factory reset. Once done with preparation, you perform the reset by pressing and holding the power button and volume down together for about 15 seconds. This hardware combination instructs the headset to clear user settings. While holding, watch the LED. It will change patterns or flash differently to show the process is running. Make sure you maintain the hold until you see the designated alternating flash or a power cycle, because releasing too soon can interrupt the reset and leave settings partially applied. After the reset finishes, you power the headset back on and repair it to the dongle or your device. This restores a fresh connection and clears old pairings. Then open Razer Synapse or your device audio settings to confirm firmware, mic, and volume defaults, making sure everything sounds normal. If pairing or audio issues persist, retry the reset once more, update the dongle firmware, and if necessary, use support. One key troubleshooting tip: test the headset on another device to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.